Hi everyone, this is the video for home connections 49 and 50. Number 1 and number 2 are both ratio tables. Number 1, for every roll there are 14 lifesavers. So I'm thinking 14, 14, 14, 14, 14. All right, if one roll is 14, then 3 rolls would be 42. Now I need to figure out how many rolls would be 56 lifesavers. Wonder if I just add one more roll of 14. There it is, 56. Can you see that I have 1 roll, 2 rolls, 3 rolls, and 4 rolls of 14 equals 56. So 4 rolls. If I know 4 rolls, then I can double everything to get 8 rolls. If you double the number of rolls, you're going to double the number of lifesavers. And 56 doubled, 50 doubled is 100, 6 doubled is 12, so 112 lifesavers. And the last one, I see the number 140. I know that 10 times 14 is 140. Number 2, when you play a game of pool, there are 15 numbered balls and 1 cue ball, that white one, for a total of 16. So one set would be 16. So I'm thinking 16, 16, 16, 16. So 2 sets would be 16 plus 16. I can do that in my head. Let's see, I wonder what 3 sets of 16 would be. It's 48. If I do one more set of 16, there's 64. So I see 1 set, 2 sets, 3 sets, 4 sets would be 64. Oh, and that makes sense. If you look at our ratio table, if you double the number of sets, notice how it just doubled the number of balls. Okay, if I know 4 sets, I can figure out 5 sets. Just add another group of 16 to get 80. And look, I can see that 80 doubled is 160. And if I double my sets, I get 10 sets. And 10 times 16 is 160. Number 3, list all the factor pairs of 36. 1 times 36 is 36. 36 is an even number, so I know 2 will work. 2 times 18. 3 times 12 is 36. Does 4 work? Yes, 4 times 9 is 36. And the last one, 6 times 6 is 36. Number 4, all the factor pairs for 42. Well, I know 1 times 42 will work. 42 is an even number, so I know 2 will work. Does 3 work? Let's see. 3 times 15 is 45. Is 3 times 14? Let's see, I think we just did that up above. Is 42. So I know that 3 times 14 will work. And 6 times 7. Factors for 42. So 36 and 42 are definitely both composite numbers. Okay, on to the back, page 50. Bryce has a rug that is 14 decimeters by 16 decimeter. A decimeter is 10 centimeters. So maybe about the length of your hand, which is ridiculously small. Bryce has a rug that is 14 decimeters by 16 decimeters. Draw a sketch of Bryce's rug, then find the area of his rug. Show your work and label the answer with the correct units. Okay, so 14 by 16. And if I need to find the area, I need to multiply 14 times 16. Remember that you can do repeated addition, you can do traditional, you can draw an area model. I'll draw an area model for this one. 14 on one side, 16 on another. 10 by 10 is 100. 4 by 10 is 40. 10 by 6 is 60. And 4 by 6 is 24. 100 plus 60 plus 40, that's 200. So 224 square decimeters. Decimeters is DM with a little tiny 2. All right, number 6. Kim's bedroom is 13 feet long and 11 feet wide. Draw a sketch of Kim's bedroom floor, then find the area. So again, we have 11 by 13, and I need to find the area. I could draw an area model. I could do repeated addition. I could do maybe the break apart method. I could do traditional. For this one, I'm going to do the break apart method. Instead of 13 times 11, I'm going to break up the 11 into a 10 and a 1. 13 times 10 is 130, and 13 times 1 is 13. Put them together, and I get 143 for an area of 143 square feet. Remember, when I say area, you say squarea. Area, squarea, area, squarea. So notice that for both area problems, they need to be labeled in square units. Square decimeters, square feet, square inches, square miles. Number 7. Ella and Jade both ran a marathon. Ella finished in 4 hours, 6 minutes, and 13 seconds. Jade finished in 4 hours, 3 minutes, and 18 seconds. Who was faster? Remember, with time, whoever has less time means they ran faster, right? They could do it in less time, which means they were faster. So I know that the answer is Jade. Jade ran faster. But then it says by how many seconds? So we need to take Ella's time, 4 hours, 6 minutes, and 13 seconds, and I need to minus Jade's time, which is 4 hours, 3 minutes, and 18 seconds. Now, time is very funky. The number system is based on the number 10, based on the number 100, right? Those are numbers that are very powerful in math. But time, I want you to think of the number 60. 60 is very powerful in math. If I take away 1 minute, now I'm down to 5 minutes, which is the same as 60 seconds. So I'm going to add 60 seconds to the 13 that are already there to get 73 seconds. So this is different than typical subtraction because I need to be thinking 60, 60, 60, 60. 1 minute is the same thing as 60 seconds. Once I've regrouped thinking of the number 60, now I can subtract like normal. 73 seconds minus 18 seconds. So now that I've regrouped properly, now I can subtract like normal. 13 minus 8 is 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 minus 3, or 5 minutes minus 3 minutes, is 2 minutes. And 0 hours. Okay, so that means that Jade ran 2 minutes and 55 seconds faster. So I'm going to say 2 minutes, 55 seconds faster. Okay? Although it says by how many seconds, so I could also say that 2 minutes is the same as 120 seconds and 55 seconds. And if I put those together, I would get 175 seconds. So you could say 175 seconds as your answer as well. Okay? All right, kiddos. Let me show you the answers. Page 49. And page 50. All right, I'll see you in class.